Can Hedera realistically surge to $1 in the market cycle? Today we are unpacking the most recent price action, news developments, on-chain metrics, and export forecast as of June 2025. So stay tuned because what we uncovered might surprise you. Welcome back to the Inside Sphere. In this deep dive, we will tackle one of the hottest questions in crypto. With the crypto market showing renewed momentum and Bitcoin trading above 104,000 dollars as of June 2025. Can Hedera break through the psychological $1 barrier this cycle? We will examine current price levels, macro crypto sentiment, Hedera ecosystem developments, and technical setups. Beside that, we will discuss scenario based predictions. Let's dive in. As of June 2025, Bitcoin is consolidating around 104 to 105 thousand dollars after recent rallies. Ethereum and major altcoins are seeing mixed movements, but overall market cap hovers near 3.2 to 3.3 trillion dollars. This backdrop influences altcoin season potential. If Bitcoin holds above major support and altcoins rotate into higher beta assets, Hedera could see increased inflows. So first, let's ground ourselves in current price action. As of mid-late June 2025, Hedera trades around $0.15 per token. Over the past week, Hedera slipped from approximately 0.17 to $0.15, reflecting a wider market weakness and a profit taking. On June 18, 2025, Hedera even dipped to lows near $0.145, the lowest level since early April 2025. Trading volumes have been moderate, indicating cautious sentiment. This consolidation near $0.15 suggests to be a right decision zone. Break above $0.18 to signal bullish continuation or risk further pullback toward $0.13 if market sentiment deteriorates. But before diving deeper, let's examine the factors shaping Hedera's fundamentals. Hedera's enterprise-grade distributed ledger continues evolving. Recent strategic collaborations and ecosystem expansion could drive long-term value. That is key when considering a move toward $1. Notable developments include strategic partnerships and onboarding. On June 19, 2025, Hedera Foundation announced that a collaboration with the binary ecosystem. This user expansion could increase transactions activity and token utility if adoption follows through. Arrow Electronics joined Hedera Council on June 4, 2025, aiming to advance supply chain solutions on Hedera's network. Enterprise adoption in supply chain can generate real-world transactions volume, boosting network value. On June 3rd, 2025, 21 shares launched a Hedera ETP on Euronext, providing a regulated exposure to Hedera for European investors. Greater institutional access may improve liquidity and attract larger capital inflows. The Hedera roadmap highlights enhancements for smart contract equivalence, improved developer tooling, and interoperability with familiar frameworks. Depreciation of insecure Hedera um, consensus surveys endpoints began June 18, 2025 as part of network hardening. This ensures a more robust ecosystem but may cause short-term disruptions for some projects. Recent announcements include first AUD stable coin deployment on Hedera and tokenized deposit experiments. Expanding decentralized finance on Hedera could drive transaction fees and demand for Hedera through decentralized finance on Hedera remains nascent compared to Ethereum. These fundamental catalysts collectively improve Hedera's long-term prospects, but translating ecosystem growth into a price move from a 0.15 to $1 requires massive market cap expansion and broad investor conviction. So let's scrutinize the technicals. As so support zone is near to $0.15 and lower around $0.12. A breakout below 0.14 may invite deeper pulls. Volume has declined during consolidation, indicating indecision. RSI on daily chart is neutral to slightly oversold, suggesting scope for both rebound or further decline depending on market catalysts. Hedera trading below its 50-day MA but near the 100-day MA. Crossover of shorter MA above longer MA would bullish but hasn't occurred yet. Transaction accounts and unique active accounts have grown modestly with new partnership, but still for below peak on network usage for gas-driven demand. Staking participation and governance engagement remain steady, reflecting committed holders but not explosive growth. Technically, Hedera is at crossroads. So for a sustained rally toward higher targets, we need confirmation, break above resistance with volume backed by positive broader crypto market momentum. Um, Conversely, if macro sentiment soars and Bitcoin dips below 95K, altcoins like Hedera may correct deeper. Now let's outline three scenarios for Hedera price trajectory within a current market cycle. Number one is bull case. There's assumptions that crypto bull market sustains Bitcoin surge beyond 150K by late 2025. Massive inflows rotate into large cap altcoins. Hedera ecosystem announcement exceed expectation. That is major enterprise rollouts at DFI volume source significant new on-chain use cases. Second one is a base case. It would be if a crypto market rallies modestly, Bitcoin peaks Bitcoin peaks near 120 and 130K. Hedera sees steady but unspectacular adoption. Partnership materialize but don't drive explosive volumes. Regulatory clarity improves but competition from other layer 1 persists. In that case, Hedera might climb from $0.15 to $0.30 range during highs, then pull back to $0.20. $1 remains $1 remain out of reach in this scenario. Price target of $0.30 represent a 2x from current, aligning with moderate bull cycle. Third one is bear case. If crypto market falters, enters extended consolidation, Bitcoin faces resistance around 100 to 110K. Hedera announcement underwhelmed or face delays. Uh, Macro headwinds, that is, rising interest rates, reduce risk appetite. In that case, Hedera would reward to $0.12 or lower if sentiment severely weakens. Recovery toward $1 in this cycle becomes highly improbable. In summary, $1 in this cycle would require the perfect storm. Exceptional bull market conditions, still Hedera adoption spikes, and sustained investor euphoria are driving Hedera market cap 6 to 7x above current levels. While not strictly impossible, hitting $1 in the near term is highly unlikely. More plausible is a peak between a 0.30 to $0.60 depending on market strength, with $0.50 being an optimistic stretch. Base case targets around a 0.30 dollar align with moderate bull condition. Uh, Bear case sees sub $0.15 retail. So if you enjoyed this analysis, leave a like, subscribe to Inside Sphere, and hit the bell icon as you don't miss our next deep dive. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Hedera can surprise us, or is $1 a win? Then see you in the next video.